In this tutorial, we will see that how can you use Telegram monetization in your Telegram channel in just few steps. So let's dive right. Firstly, from Telegram, you have to open your channel. Like I will open this one and click on the name of your channel. It will show you these three dots on the right top side. If you click on that, it will show here this statistics. Open it and then it will show you the overview of your account. If it's not showing here this monetization on your Telegram channel, so there are some of reasons. That's why it's not showing. The first reason is you have not 1000 members on your Telegram channel. This was the main reason for this monetization option is not showing. And the second reason is your channel may be private. So to get this monetization in Telegram, you should have public channel. And the third thing is you may use the older version of Telegram. You can simply update your Telegram app from Google Play Store. If you are using iOS, you can update it from App Store. If you open your monetization tab, it will show you your all overviews for your ad revenues. And the last thing is Telegram works for 50-50 revenue share. It takes 50% and you can withdraw money from Telegram at any time. So this was a little guide to use Telegram monetization in your channel.